Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the content you want to link is selectable and permitted, otherwise copying will fail. Once confirmed, open the target document or field and place the insertion point where the link must appear. Next, select the source text or URL precisely, then copy it using the keyboard shortcut or context menu. You do this because selecting ensures you copy only the intended characters. Copying early prevents accidental edits later, so act now and keep focus on accuracy. Now paste the copied content into your target using Ctrl+V or CMD+V and check that the text or raw URL inserted correctly. Once visible, highlight that pasted text and invoke the link or hyperlink tool, often Ctrl+K or a chain icon, so you can attach the destination. Enter or confirm the destination URL, set whether it opens in a new tab, and add a descriptive title for accessibility. You do this to convert plain text into a stable, clickable link that behaves. Finish by testing the link immediately in preview and live modes so you confirm it reaches the correct destination. Click it as a user would. If it fails, recopy the URL from the source to eliminate hidden characters or paste as plain text to remove formatting. Also check source permissions and URL encoding. %encoding fixes spaces and special characters. If problems persist, clear the link and reapply it. This step-by-step reset often resolves subtle formatting or permission errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.